Hello and welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we'll be looking at how to pass page parameters between pages. As a prerequisite, you should have already gone through the video on how to create app pages and navigation. If not, then I recommend doing that first. I've created an app with 3 pages. The landing page navigates to a secondary page, which navigates to a tertiary page. But what if I wanted these pages to pass some information between them? The way to do this is with page parameters. Parameters are like slots on a page that another page can put some information inside. To create a page parameter, go to Page Data on the command bar and press plus next to the parameters heading. Then enter the name of your parameter and the type. To make use of the information that the page will be passed, we can use dynamic values. For example, I'm going to drag a text block into the page, click on it, go to the block properties, and in appearance, change the static value to a dynamic value. Then select the parameter that we've just created. Now to send the data over, I'm going to go to the landing page, select the button, go to block properties, and go to the action. Then I'm going to press the pencil next to pass page parameters. And there's the parameter that we just created. So for this value, I'm going to send through I have been to landing page and apply. And then I have to save this page. Now if we run this, and then I click go to secondary page, it says I have been to the landing page. If we go into the edit, and then launch this page, it will give you all the parameters that you have on this page to enter info into. So I can say anything here. And then it will launch the page as if this page had been passed that info from a different page. Now if we want to send something dynamic to the next page, for instance, whatever this page got as its parameter, we can do that by going to the block properties of the button and then go to pass page parameters. And because we haven't created any parameters on the tertiary page, we can do that here. Note that this creates parameters on the page that this button is going to and not this page itself. So we create tertiary info and also secondary info. So the secondary info will be the parameter that came from this page, which is a dynamic value, and the tertiary info is I have been to the secondary page. So this dynamic info is going to get past one page and then to the next page. So apply that and then save. And we actually need to display it on the tertiary page. So we'll go in here and there's already some text here, so we'll make use of this. And we'll say parameter.secondaryInfo. And then we can duplicate this. And this can be the parameter tertiary info. Now if we run this page straight away, it's going to ask us for this information. And if we launch it from here, it's not going to actually say anything because we didn't have any information sent through. So we go back to the landing page. We go to the secondary page, which passes I have been to the landing page. And then we go to the tertiary page, which has I have been to the landing page and I have been to the secondary page. This has been how to pass page parameters between pages.